Let's see this question. What is the percentage of profit or loss made by selling an article for rupees 45,000? So now they are saying that selling price of an article is given as 45,000. Now we are supposed to find out whether we are going to make profit or loss, and in that case what is the percentage of profit or loss. Okay, now if you look at the information given in the first statement, the difference between the cost price and selling price is 9,600. so they are giving us the difference, right? So which means they are saying that the difference between cost price and selling price is equal to 9,600, but then we don't know which one is greater in this. The problem with such a data is either it could mean that cost price minus selling price is equal to 9,600, or selling price minus cost price is equal to 9,600, right? Therefore the data is ambiguous, in the sense I cannot predict whether it is, we gained a profit or loss. If we assume that CP minus SP is equal to 9,600, then since cost price is higher, you will be incurring a loss. And if you assume that SP minus CP is equal to 9,600, since selling price is higher, you might get a profit. But then which one it is, we will not be able to say. So as of now, using the data one, the question is ambiguous, which means the data given in first statement is not sufficient, right? So you can say that it is not sufficient. Now what about the data given in second statement? In the data given in second statement, they are saying that the ratio of selling price to the cost price, which means selling price to the cost price of an article is 5:4. So they have clearly given that selling price is higher than cost price, right? And also using this one, you will be able to find out what selling price is. Already they have given selling price, so you can find out what cost price is. So you can say that cost price is equal to 4/5 of selling price, and from this you can find out what the cost price is, and already selling price is given, right? And if you want to find it out, it is going to be 36,000, right? So if you want to find out the profit, so profit is going to be percentage of profit. See, it is not required to find out the number, but I am just giving you the rough idea. So percentage of profit equal to profit divided by cost price into 100, right? Using that formula, you will be able to find out what the profit you are going to get. But anyway, what the question means is, you will not be able to find out the answer by using the data which is present in the first statement, but then if you look at the data present in the second statement, is sufficient to answer the question. Therefore the option is 2, right? What does 2 say? The data which is present in the statement number 2 is sufficient, while the data present in statement number 1 is not sufficient, right? Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have, you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.